Hi, Corey, House of Vacuums Triad. Continuing with our showroom showcase series, we are going to show the SEBO D4 ONYX canister vacuum this morning to show the features, a bit about how it works, and to show you some of the neat tricks with this machine. So, starting right off with the unit, I'm going to start with the power nozzle. So these nozzles are extremely low profile in design, so you can really get under lots of things, beds, couches. You do have a 1 through 4 adjustment for the different type of flooring that you may have, from bare flooring, some thick carpeting, to plush carpet orientals, but you can really adjust it right here. It's got an on-off switch here. And then for the clean out, press a button, slides, and then this whole little guy slides the whole brush roll right out for easy cleaning. You can wash that, clean this out. Easy maintenance on this machine, especially with their brush rolls. Telescopic wand, so you don't adjust yourself to the vacuum to where it adjusts to you. You can pop this off right here, put a dusting brush here, and then go way up high for ceiling fans, baseboards, crown molding, stuff like that. Comes off here. And then all of the tools on this vacuum cleaner are conveniently located on the back of the machine. So you have an angled dusting brush that you can flip around to get into intricate areas. You have the crevice tool, and you have an integrated upholstery bedding style tool. Also, this is the bare floor tool that it comes with. So when you're vacuuming, it'll ride around on the back like this, and then you kind of have everything with you on the ready. Power it on, you control everything right here. Full suction. Rolls around great, and again, lays completely flat. Filtration on this machine is hospital grade filtration. The bag capacity, this is a 1.5 gallon capacity. These are huge bags in this vacuum cleaner. So these will seal, throw this whole thing away. I say that these fill up like a sugar bag. They're heavy, they're dense, they really pack full. Our customers report back to us saying they can get 3.5 to 4 months out of these bags. So with that, you buy a box and it's going to last you a good year to 1.5 years for one box of bags. They do come 8 to a box. Also on the back is where that large final filter, replaced once a year. And then in turn, they have their famous Airbelt that SEBO is known for on all of their canisters. So this will actually act as an airbag almost as you're vacuuming. The air is diffused through the sods, and when you're vacuuming, if you bump up against things, it's just going to act as an airbag for all of your moldings, your furniture, so that way you're not marring or scratching the vacuum and your home as you're going around. Two of the large benefits of this machine, this is SEBO's premium best Cadillac model, if you want to call it that. It has a 40-foot retractable cord reel. All in all, tip of the cord, tip of the base, we have 65 feet of cleaning radius out of this one machine. So if you visualize that, even a central vacuum with the built-in systems, they're maximized with an electrified hose at 35 feet. So this is even giving you more reach than a built-in system can do with an electrified hose. Also a graduated hose, so it is larger here, smaller here. That creates more airflow, and you don't have to worry about clogs. If it gets through here, it's going to make its way into the vacuum cleaner bag. Also the extra tools that come with the ONYX, because we are a SEBO ONYX dealer, we have several. You're going to have the turbo tool. This is good for carpeted stairs, upholstery. So you want to take it out to the car, clean that out. That is something that is available for it. This is a flip and turn style bare floor tool. So take this guy, pop it on, and you can really get around lots of furniture. Lays completely flat, and you can really get around things. Also is the flexible crevice tool. So this you can get down in the dryer vents, you can get under the refrigerators, beside of them, in those really thin areas. That is something that comes with the ONYX collection as well. And then the 9-foot extension hose. So this hose will go on the end here. You can sit that at the base of your stairs and do a whole flight of stairs without having to move the machine at all. So very convenient with that as well. So that's a brief overview on the SEBO D4, and I will show you the airflow on this machine. It really blows it out of the water. And just briefly, this is the airflow meter the industry uses on how we gauge airflow on vacuum cleaners in the industry. And right now, this guy pulls So you can see that is amazing airflow. It blows almost all the competition out of the water. So with that, you have the great brush roll agitation action that's required for cleaning carpets. You have the adjustment, so that way you're at the proper cleaning height for your carpeting. And then the third is you have the amazing airflow to really dig all that dirt up. So this is a brief overview on the SEBO Premium D4 ONYX black canister vacuum. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at the store, send us an email. We're always happy to help.